Today I'm gonna be eating ice cream and chicken. Mm.
Maghugas kayo mamaya, ha? Maglinis, Makati yung tinakbuhan nyo.
Yeah. Mommy, my rice.
Mami, ma.
By the way, knife. So I'm just doing this
Buto na
Ay,
sila ba?
tumapon!
for you. Okay.
Ay, tumapon yung sus mo.
Yan.
Hindi. Wala to.
Oh. Coco.
Ito na muna. Magchi-chicken muna tayo.
Coco.
Mamaya.
Yash. Rice.
Plastic na lang yun sa'yo, basura na yun sa'yo, basura. Basura yun sa'yo, basura. It's a trash. It's a trash sa'yo. Oh, no, kain ka natin chicken. It's a trash soy.
Ito na lang. Chicken.
My ice cream is so small.
It's a trash butchokoy. So hindi ka natin tigilan, Patch, pag ganun.
Kailangan nakikita niya yung burger niya. Dapat pag birthday daw ni ate, complete si Soy, ah. Complete meal.
Dapat may burger sa birthday ko. If they don't have burger for me and soy, I would leave my birthday. It's so yummy. Sorry, my voice. Don't look at me like that. Oh. What? Ako yung purple. I think a little bit, just a little bit. I'm making a video for YouTube.
Kukunday na.
Up. So yeah, anyways. I don't know why everybody stay quiet, but yeah,
Why?
nothing. Just eating.
You're just eating.
Eating.
Eating the eat.
Mommy, help. I need some. The chicken's too hard. Oh, thank you.
Lunok muna. Wait lang. Wait lang, mahirapan ka na lumunok. Lahat na, sunod-sunod na. Water. Gusto may laman ba yung bibig niya na kanin? Gusto niya na agad kumagat ng burger.
Time for my ice cream.
Galing naman yun. Very good naman yun. Pag fast food talaga.
Pang fast food. Fast
Pag
food.
fast food, ang fast. Nate.
Yes.
Yes. Kung pagating ko ng mukha, baka mabara ko sa ano yun. Pagkagas. Gusto mo yung rice mo? Bigyan kita ng ice cream. Good. Grabe na ito.
Oh.
Dahil sa pagkagat mo, Chokoy.
Look slowly on our food. My soak.
Na-choke ka. Thank you, no?
Nangyayaan mo naman. Ba yan? Sabi na uubos yung ano. Hindi pa.
Yung kanin, tsaka yung ipin mo.
Yung kanin, pati yung burger niya.
Ma, who's Lola's mother?
Oh, Lola Edna.
Yeah.
9.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Who's my day?
That's my mother.
No. Who's Lola's mother?
Ah, Lola's mother. Lola. I forgot her name, but I didn't saw her. Even before when I was still a kid, I didn't.
Okay. Hey guys. Oh my gosh, I just said it. Ice cream.
Tama na yung kain mo, sir.
Eh? When you were a kid, what did you like to do?
Play outside.
Ano, she likes to swim on the dirty
On the
river.
dirt. You always swim on the dirt.
Dirty river with lots of trash.
Ew!
Yeah.
That's his hobby.
Yeah, no mas man.
That's his favorite thing to do.
Yeah, that's his favorite thing to do.
That's why I look dirty inside out.
Doesn't also want to take a bath.
Yeah, I don't wanna go to sleep. That's why I become this big. You want to become this big?
No.
So you have to take a nap. If you don't want to become this big.
Yeah, he doesn't always
Because Papa is big as moon.
doesn't take a nap when he's still a kid.
But I take napkin.
Yeah.
This is why I don't take a nap. I imagine monsters.
Are you what?
I imagine.
No, you just say that because you don't want to take a nap. But in reality, that's not true. And monsters are not real. I'm the real monster.
Hi.
If you didn't follow me, I'm going to bite. Huwag mong kamut-kamutin yung kita mo. Nagpipictorial ka, puro ka ng pangkal.
Tutorial ka pati.
Bukas.
Ako magpuro.
Bukas.
Next Saturday na. Birthday mo na, October na.
Next Saturday.
Uy, Raji, wala ka bang susuotin?
Apat di ba ang tutorial? Kasama ko.
Kasama tayo sa pipicture. Tapos, may nagbibideo nga tayo.
Okay lang talaga may suot
Okay, bye guys. Hope you enjoy my channel.